Hey everyone, this is Shivani, a data science student, and in this video, I will teach you how to build a complete web app from scratch. Yes, AI tools can do it fast, but if you do not understand the basics, you won't grow as a real developer. I am Shivani, a data science student from IIT Madras. So let's get started. So now, before we start building, let me tell you about the app. This is Vehicle Parking Management System, a web application that allows user to book, release, and manage parking spots online. It's designed to work just like a real-world parking solution where available spots are updated in real time and you can keep track of bookings and history. So we will be using Flask for backend, HTML and Bootstrap for frontend, and SQLite for storing user data, parking spots, and booking records. So let's get started. First, we have to create a virtual environment because in Python, a virtual environment helps us keep all the dependencies for a project in one place. So I will run this command, which will create a folder named env, and then I will activate the virtual environment with this with this command. It's time to create or requirements.txt. I mean, if you already know that which packages you will need in the project, so you can list them. Install them. So let's create app.py. Basically, this is controller where all the routes are present. So first import Flask from Flask package, and then instance of the app we will make. Then this route, which is basically will open on our local host. Then I'm defining a function so that I can return something. So this is a basic Flask app which everybody should know. And then I'm running the app. So here you are. As you can see, hi is showing, and this app is open on our local host. So hey everyone, before moving ahead, let's understand everything more clearly. So this is vehicle parking app. As we know, this is web app that helps manage and reserve four-wheeler parking spots across multiple parking lots. So there are two type of roles: admin and user. So admin, who is admin? Admin is the super user of the app. For admin, there is no registration. Okay, only login. As admin is the super user of the app, he can create, update, and delete parking lots. Okay, and he can view status of every parking spot. Now talk about second role, who is the user. I mean normal user. He or she have to register, then he can log in. User can book a parking spot, can release the parking spot once the vehicle leaves. To make all these things happen, we have to next create a database, which is basically model of the app. I'm sure you already know about MEC structure. If not, then check it out. Now I am importing the SQL Alchemy from our package Flask SQL Alchemy. And then I set configuration for the app. So this line basically tells where your database is and what kind of database you are using. It is a part of Flask app.config dictionary, which stores app settings. Okay. And then DB is equal to SQL Alchemy app. So connects your Flask app to database using SQL Alchemy. So it creates a DB object that you will use to define models and interact with the database. So now I am going to create my first table defined by model class. Under this, attributes of the column with constants. As you can see, I got the instance folder, but I got the attribute error. So let's solve it. And now I got the models.db where user is the table. So in this app, there are two type of users, normal users and admins. So admins are not allowed to register. They can only log in. So admin accounts are created manually by the developer in the backend database. So when a person logs in, we check the credential against a database. If user is admin, then I will redirect to admin dashboard. If not, then user dashboard. This way, based on is admin flag, we control access to different parts of the app.